Hello friends, welcome to English Made Easy with Preeti. You must be wondering why this channel. Ever since I started teaching English, I've always wanted one centralized source which kids can come back and refer to. You know, those shortcuts, those nuances which we enjoy teaching, there should be some permanent way of storing them for our children to refer. The first lesson in this channel will focus on something that most first graders are confused about. Yes, nouns, verbs and adjectives. But it's just not meant for them. It's meant for any beginner who wants to start with the basics of English grammar. So here we go.
So, what exactly are nouns? You know, when we were small, we used to play a game called Name, Place, Animal, Thing. Maybe some of you even play now with your friends. Name or a person. For example, Ravi, Deepa, teacher, girl, father, mother. So, any kind of a name or person are nouns. Next, we come to place. Dubai, Chennai, school, even your kitchen, office, any kind of a place, even when the place has a name, is a noun. The next category is animals. Yes, when we say animals, we don't just refer to animals. That includes birds, insects, and other creatures too. Lion, cockroach, elephant, even a little ladybug. They are also nouns. The last category are things. Any sort of an inanimate object. Okay, a non-living thing that you see around you. Pencil, bag, glass of water. Things are also nouns. Now, let's go to another very important part of speech, verbs. Why are they important? Because no sentence is ever complete without a verb. All sentences will either have a verb or at least a helping verb. You know, when you do the picture composition, they give you a picture, you are supposed to write sentences about it. When you write a simple story, these verbs are very important. So what are they? They are simply called action words, words that describe an action. Now look at the examples here. The girl, she's eating. John teaches English. There is a teacher here who's teaching English. So all this, eating, teaching, you can see these are actions. So they are the verbs in the sentence. Now the confusion comes with these verbs. You know, I love my mother. She thinks very hard. Children used to ask me, ma'am, how can love be a verb? How can think be a verb? It's not an action we are doing. No, even if you love it in your mind, even when you think in your mind, those are still action words, children. You get it? Now, move on to my favorite part of grammar. That's adjectives. What are adjectives? They are words that describe a noun. Simply, how do we call them? Describing words. You have to remember these keywords. Okay? Adjectives are describing words. What are the examples? Let's take a look at them. You have a friend. What kind of a friend? Friend is a noun, right? What kind of a friend? He's a smart friend. I saw an elephant. So what kind of an elephant it was? It was a big elephant. So elephant is the noun, big is the adjective. I love coffee. But what kind of a coffee? Hot or cold? So hot and cold describe the coffee. Look at the examples here. This is a dog. What kind of a dog? A little dog, right? Cute little dog. So cute, little, adjectives again. You can see a sunrise. Sunrise, what kind of a sunrise? We saw a beautiful sunrise. And this girl here in the pink dress, she has hair. But what kind of a hair? She has lovely hair. So don't you see, children? These adjectives make our writing much better. If there were no adjectives, the writing, the stories we read would be so much boring. Now let's end this presentation with a small recap. Okay, I'm going to take this sentence and then we're going to break them down into the parts of speech we learnt. The cute baby was crying for milk. Okay, now what are the nouns here? Do you see a person? Yes, baby is a person. Do you see anything? Yes, milk is a thing. But we don't see any place or animal, right? So we found two nouns, baby and milk. What are the adjectives? Now, baby is the noun. What is the adjective that described the baby? Cute. For milk, no. I'm sorry, we don't have an adjective here for the milk. Now, which is the action word? What was the baby doing? Yes, the baby was crying. Crying is the action word here. Okay?
So friends, I hope you found the presentation useful. Yes, I'm going to do a little recap again. What are nouns? Remember the game? Name, place, animal, thing. And by animals, we also refer to the other creatures. Verbs, action words. Remember these keywords, huh? Verbs are action words. Anything that describes an action. Adjectives are describing words. What do they describe? They describe nouns. Okay, so see you next time on yet another episode of English Made Easy with Preeti. Bye-bye.